This type of question is answered following the steps. Firstly, we will write the negative exponent, which is x raised to the power minus 2, as 1 all over x squared. So that changes the expression into 8 all over x squared, which equals 2 over 25. Then the next step is to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it becomes 25 times 8 equals 2x squared. So we divide both sides by 2, and x squared equals 100. So by the time you square root both sides, x will be equal to 10. Step to another question. We'll start again by rewriting the negative exponents to 12 over x squared, which will be equal to 3 over 4. Then, as usual, we cross multiply. That's 3x squared equals 12 times 4. So 3x squared equals 48. We divide both sides by 3, and then our x squared will be equal to 16, because when you square root both sides, x will be equal to 4.